Next, let's develop the footer of our web page. Just before that, remember that we already saved everything. Go back to your Wix page. You will see our website, Wines. It's already there, but it's not published yet. Okay, once we publish it, it will appear here, developed to the level that we did by now. Okay, let's do the footer now. Here is the footer. Click there. Let's design the footer's background first. Where is it? Yeah, change the footer design, maybe here. Okay. Let's see. We have different designs here. Maybe I can select this one for the start, then customize design. Do some coloring here. All right, this doesn't look that bad. Maybe a bit brighter. Okay, like this. So this is the color of our footer. Then we add elements here as well. Remember that we grouped these three elements in the header here, like this. If I click them and copy and then paste, whoops, now that's not what I wanted. I wanted to copy this and paste it. I can actually move it down there if I want to have something similar in the footer. Why not? Sometimes I want to have it, but I will ungroup the elements now, and I will shrink everything a bit. Now, this is going to be a little smaller here. This I have to also shrink. Maybe I don't need this subtitle in the footer, but this one, yeah, I'll edit this text and shrink the font size dramatically, like to 16 points, fine. Okay, then I will also shrink this, move it here. Okay, close to this logo. And then I will regroup these two elements so that I can move them around the way I want to. What to add here in the footer as well? Maybe some text saying something about copyright, okay? So let's add a paragraph here that shows a copyright notice. So copyright, I don't have this copyright sign here yet, but I will bring it here. Copyright, I'll put my initials here. Okay. The year is 2023 at the moment. All rights reserved. Just for fun. Okay, this is not really essential. And maybe I can put this in 12-point font only. Let me shrink it. Okay, I'll move it somewhere here. Let me also try to add this little copyright sign. I think I have to go to Wix images and choose from vector art, and then scroll down. I think I saw it here at one point. If not, then I'll bring it from elsewhere. Let me just call it by its name, copyright. Maybe it will show me. Ah, yeah, there it is. Cool, fine. So I'll use this one, and I will add it to my page. It's much too big, of course, but I will shrink it dramatically to about this size. I will change the design, the color. I don't like that one. Let's go with or maybe no, maybe let's use this one. This looks okay in the footer. Cool. Yeah. Now it's still a bit bigger than I like. Okay, this now it's much too small. Maybe a bit like this. Okay, cool. And let's move it here in front of this copyright notice, so that we have the full-fledged copyright notice looking like this. I will group these two elements together so that I can move them around if I want to. But I don't think I need to move them around. They look pretty okay now. Maybe just to align them with this title text. And yeah, this is it for now. What else goes to the footer? Maybe we can add another icon here, another vector art. So image, then maybe add something like, okay, vector art. Let me see, wine again. What does it have there for us? Ah, this little barrel with wine looks good. Okay, cool. Let's put it there. Of course, we can shrink it the way we want to, or to the size we want to, and bring it here to the center, and shrink now the whole footer like this. And maybe just add some social networking icons here to do that. Let's do it this way. I can go here, find social, and there are several designs that I can use here. Maybe this one looks pretty neutral, but I can move it, and I want to move it somewhere here. Okay, centrally located. Can I shrink it a bit? Not really. It's not shrinkable. Maybe we can try to do something with these tools here, but not really. It doesn't allow me to set the width and the height the way I want to. So let's leave it as is. Sometimes it's not that customizable, but I think it's okay to use it like this. Okay, how to really link these social networking buttons to what you want. Click here, set social links. A page like this opens, and maybe if you go to your LinkedIn page or your Facebook page, your Instagram page, whatever, TikTok, you can set this link to what you want to have there. Okay, if you don't, when you click this button, once you show your web page, it will open the LinkedIn profile of the Wix company. Okay, but it's probably not what you want. So set it to whatever you want, but set it to do this. You just click here and set it to whatever you want. All right. I'll do it in the end, and I'll show you the effects of it. But now let's keep it as is for the moment. This is it about designing your footer, at least the basics of it. And now let's see what our website looks like for now. Yeah, that's it. We can click other pages here, about, accommodation, contact. We don't have anything here in the center, but the design is consistent throughout our pages, throughout our website. I only don't like this high header, so I will now shrink it to about this size. And now if I preview it, it looks like this. That's probably much better. We can publish this. Once we publish it, it will be just you know, the web page available to everyone. Okay, that's it. Now in the next video, we'll talk more about the other pages rather than going to the home page immediately, and there's a reason for that.